I think I'll start first of all with a little discussion of Genesis. I did a biblical series in 2017 on Genesis, which some of you might be interested in either watching or listening to. It's actually been very popular, which is very peculiar. I rented a theater of about this size to give the lectures, and it sold out. I had 15 lectures on Genesis, and almost all the people who came were men, which is completely incomprehensible because you can't get men near a church. And you know, and they were usually men, I would say, between about 28 and 40, 25 and 40, something like that. And so it was pretty interesting that they came. And the most popular lecture I ever gave on YouTube is on the first sentence of Genesis. It's like 2.5 hours on the first sentence of Genesis. You never think anything like that could possibly be popular. But I want to tell you a little bit about Genesis, because I think there are things in it that are, well, they're what make the self-evident, but I also think that they're also true. They're true metaphorically, for sure. They're true psychologically, I believe. And they might be true metaphysically, but I don't know, because no one knows about that. And, you know, that's where when you're speaking of ultimate things, your knowledge runs out. And so, but I'll stick to the metaphorical and the psychological. That'll do, you know.